folks, it's me again. This video, I'm doing the intro after because I forgot to do an introduction. I'm basically going to be hammering out some little parts for lights and stuff because I got about a bunch of light parts. So I'm taking apart probably some lights and hammering out some dents in different parts of the bike. There's the rear tail light plates. I have a bunch of them. I'm trying to get them all straightened out before they go powder coated. And I don't know how they're going to come out when they're powder coat. Like, I know powder coat doesn't take out dents, it just covers it. It doesn't fill anything. It just, there's bumps. There's bumps. So I'm trying to figure out what to send to powder coating, because there's not a lot of things on a, well, I mean, there is a lot of things like a powder coat. But as what for people will see, there's the frame, the front rack, the front light rack, the little piece in the rack, the rear swing arm, and the rest is mostly engine parts and other plastic shit. So I think after that I'm probably gonna get the little switch thing box, the throttle powder coated. Oh, and I'll probably paint the I'll do the brake hub myself. I mean, I could get powder coated too, but there's I was taking apart some lights. If this is the right video, you'll see I'm just taking shit apart and doing a little equation of what's missing. Like, I only have 2 of these. I need at least 6 more. So it might be hard to get. I think there's somebody 3D printing these. They might need at least 2 more of these. Had a few technical difficulties, like, I don't know why I don't know what people do with these bikes, but why is there a hole in there? I mean, theoretically, this one's fine if I just put just put some epoxy on there, but you know what? This one had a problem where the screw just wouldn't unscrew. So when I cut the bolt, heated it up, and it came right out. So I might try to take a bolt out of one of these broken ones and just implant it back in, or I'll just get another one. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed the video. It'll be straightened out. It's on the brake. Taking the dents out of it. There's lots of little dents. You can tell the metal stretching because it's flexing it. That one's okay. This one feels like it's made better. Weird. I don't know. This one just feels like maybe it's just painted. I don't know. That is much better. So anyway, these will get sent to powder coat, and we'll see what the big difference is. They're all pretty good. What happened was the original things like this were all rusty, so I'm just taking them off and using them as a everyday rider bike. There we go. So instead of being nice and chunky like this, it's got things missing. They're straight. I need another one of these. So, and that can be Back to the powder coaters. Take this rubber thing off. All right, that's it for that.